Creating a database. In this module, we will discuss what is SQL Server Database, the types of databases in SQL Server, and how to create a database in SQL Server 2022. Each database in SQL Server can store a set of database objects such as tables, views, stored procedures, functions, etc., and the database stores this data in a structured manner. The file system stores SQL Server databases as files, and each database has two operating system files. The MDF file, the actual database objects, such as tables, views, etc., are contained in the MDF file. The LDF file, these hold all the data necessary for a database's transactions to be recovered. Types of SQL Server databases. The SQL Server consists of two types of databases. 1. System databases. The system databases are mostly composed of 5 databases that are automatically created when we install SQL Server, and each database has a specific purpose that is described below. Master. The master database is one of the most important system databases. It stores system-level information, such as instance configuration settings, login information, and information about all other databases on the server. If the master database becomes corrupted or unavailable, the entire SQL Server instance might not start or function properly. Model. The model database is used as a template when creating new user databases. Any changes made to the model database will be applied to new databases created afterward. For instance, if you set certain database options or create certain objects in the model database, those changes will be inherited by newly created databases. MSDB. The MSDB database is used for SQL Server Agent functionality. SQL Server Agent is responsible for tasks like scheduling and automating jobs, maintaining job history, managing alerts, and more. Information about backups, maintenance plans, and other SQL Server Agent-related operations is stored in this database. TempDB. The TempDB database is used to store temporary data, such as temporary tables, variables, and work tables used in query processing. It is also used for sorting and joining operations that require temporary storage. TempDB is recreated every time the SQL Server starts and is used by all users and processes on the server. 2. User databases. Administrators, developers, and testers with database creation privileges enable users to construct their own databases. These databases are under the complete management of the respective end users. There are 2 ways to create a database using SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS. Using Graphical User Interface. Using Transact SQL.